All right, January 31st, Sunday, looking at some more stocks. Let's start off with PIXY. PIXY. 7 million float, low float. Market cap 74 million. No news recently. Staffing Services United States, that's what they do. See the daily in this, crazy daily. And this has been all over the place. A split. 2020, this went up to 26, came crashing down to 4, bounced to 12, all kinds of moves. Where we're at now, let's had the gap down from 350 up to 225. Bounced up towards this, 3 level. See here, 1, 2, 3. Look at the low getting higher. Wide, wide, tight, and then we exploded up to 4. And then just pulled back. Now, where are we pulling back to? We pulling back to 325 in this zone here, and then bouncing. Are we coming all the way back to maybe this line, this 3 line? Actually, it's like 288. Yeah, it's a tough move on this. Now, if we break above, if we break above 4, look for 5 plus on this. A big wall resistance at 5. Maybe to 6. If we pull back, look for 1320 EMA to hold, and then look for the 288 level. You don't want this to go all the way slide down into here. It's going to be a bounce somewhere in here. Try it a little bit here. You're still going down on stochastics. So this still could be going down before we get a good bounce. So watch it on PIXY. Still good potential. Hasn't, fallen back too far yet. So we'll see. CETX. 15 million float. Industrials, 31 million market cap. Recent news. Technology company, United States, internationally. Let's take a look at this one. This has a lot of big spikes since June 2019. They had a split. This one up to 525. It came back down. Found this one level, bounced to 3. Look at this. Bounced many times to 3, but didn't hold. This is like a giant head and shoulders. Inverse. Here's a head, shoulder on each side. This should go up. So where we're at now, after that big move down to 1, the lows are getting higher here. Look at this. 150. Pull back 125. Pull back again, 150, 225. I like this here. See, this is held on the 1320 EMA. It's a good green candle. Now, you want this to hold right here next week and start going up again. 2, break 225 and look for 3. Now, if this doesn't hold, I'm looking at 150 and then back to 1. So, we're at a key point right here. So, you can see in the chart here, we've hit this many times, this 3 line. And it does look like almost like a cup and handle. Right here, you have 1, 2, 3 right here. 4 is the pullback. Next one will be 5. And then you get a little pullback and then you race up. We'll see if that happens on this. See if it plays out that way on CETX. All right, CRDF. Check it out. CRDF Oncology, Biotech, 27 million float, 409 million market cap. LabCorp earns 100% on human rights campaign foundations, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's see here. They are oncology, biotech, treatment of cancer. This had a big move up from May. Start to move 2, move to 4, move to 6. You can see the low getting higher each time. Look at this, big bounce up. So it really took off from 6 to 16, back down, 14, 18, another good low here, 16, and broke all the way up to 24 plus. Where we're at now, pretty much take out these lines. Well, except for this line. Let me go back here. This line right here is important. It's a big broadening wedge. See this? Really, it's down there, but here's the line connecting. So you can see the width, it's getting wider. That means the moves are getting extremely wide. Now, this is a big pullback. look at the stochastics, draw your line right here. See on here each time it rolled out, it did this, rolled. Now it's getting oversold. It needs to bounce right over this level here to get out of this, and then we go up. So you had to bounce, nope, the bounce again, back down. This is a trend line right here. Yeah, if that doesn't hold, see this? 10, 10. It's oversold. Yeah, I could easily see this getting up to back to this candle like 18. So we'll see what this does. This needs to hold and start. Even if this comes back here and does this again, back and forth, and we can break past 12. Yeah, if 10 doesn't hold, then who knows? Just pick a line here. 9, 8. You're just going down. There has to be a hold here on CRDF. FinViz puts in a line right here from that October move, this big candle, to here pretty much. See that? It's putting in this, and it's putting in a line here. And then they have a line coming down right here, crossing this way. So you don't need this line anymore. I can take that out. Take that out. I have two cross lines here. So it made the move up here. See the high, your connection of points. And it looks like we have space into here to move up to at least, 16 plus, being oversold. So we'll see how this works out on CRDF. All right, that's it for this video. Please subscribe to Mike Game and Trades. Hit the like button. Check out Trade Ideas. Referral, my link. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrank. Instagram, MikeFrank98. Stock Twitch, Mike Game and Trades. Hurt my elbow here. Icing it. So hopefully that gets better in a few weeks. Trying to stay off it from the gym, which is annoying. Anyone who loves the gym, I've been training as personal trainer 20 years. Really just training myself right now, but without physical activity, I know how people do it. Some people don't work out at all. You feel horrible. So hopefully I can get back from. Basically, I was overtraining. That's what I think at this point. But all right, on to the next video after this. Peace.